The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Unimog Redrock Edition stands in the center of the pristine white shining showroom floor like a masterpiece carved from precision, strength, and heritage. Dressed in an extraordinary ruby stone metallic finish, the entire vehicle glows with a deep crystalline radiance, as though the body panels were forged from molten gemstone. From every angle, the paint shifts subtly between dark ruby, volcanic red, and metallic berry hues, an effect produced by a multi-layer microflake coating that refracts the overhead lights in a way no ordinary color can. The Redrock Edition is not just named after rugged landscapes and towering cliff formations, it visually embodies them, capturing the essence of ancient canyon walls, desert sunsets, and deep mineral layers hidden beneath the earth. The moment your eyes settle on it, you understand instantly why Mercedes reserved this color exclusively for the Redrock Edition. It is bold, unforgettable, and unmistakably premium. The Unimog has always been a legend, renowned for its portal axles, invincible suspension, extreme articulation, and its reputation as the king of all-terrain mobility. But the 2026 Redrock Edition elevates this heritage into a new realm of visual drama and technical refinement. As you walk closer, the vehicle's stance dominates your field of vision. The massive ground clearance stands taller than many compact cars. The front end extends forward with the confidence of a machine engineered not just to survive the wild, but to claim mastery over it. Its ruby stone metallic color reflects on the showroom's glossy white floor like a glowing ember resting on polished marble, giving the entire space a dramatic contrast of purity and power. Every line on the exterior is carved with intent. The hood features pronounced sculpted channels that guide airflow with precision. These channels give the front fascia muscular tension, like coiled strength waiting to be unleashed. The adaptive LED headlights carry a crystalline pattern that mirrors the Redrock's mineral-inspired theme. Their diamond-cut light modules sit inside armored housings specially reinforced for off-road impact protection. When illuminated, they project a cool white beam that slices cleanly across the showroom, contrasting beautifully against the warm ruby hue of the metallic body. Directly beneath them rests the Redrock's exclusive front bumper, an all-steel, matte black tactical structure built for serious off-road encounters. The integrated winch is hidden behind a seamless fold-out panel, maintaining visual elegance while still offering raw utility. The recovery hooks are forged, not cast, providing unmatched tensile strength for rescue operations or extreme recovery scenarios. Even the grille showcases a unique Redrock Edition pattern with deeper slats and a subtly darkened Mercedes emblem framed in gloss black metal. As you survey the side profile, the Redrock Edition becomes even more stunning. The enormous 44-inch all-terrain tires, wrapped around classic gloss black beadlock wheels, appear ready to crush obstacles without hesitation. These tires are military spec, featuring a tri-layer sidewall structure and a self-cleaning tread that sheds mud, snow, and sand as they rotate. Combined with Unimog's iconic portal axles, the ground clearance appears almost unreal. The side steps, precision machined with anti-slip texture, blend into the ruby stone metallic bodyline as if carved from the same mineral. Black powder-coated rock sliders run beneath the doors, forming a protective barrier between the chassis and hostile terrain. They are thick, angular, and built from industrial-grade steel. Even here, the ruby stone metallic finish plays with the lighting in the room. Reflections dance subtly across the protective plates, giving the Unimog a sculpted presence that merges luxury with rugged durability. The mirror housings feature integrated LED indicators and a two-stage heating system for cold weather expeditions. They sit on reinforced arms that fold inward with a deliberate, mechanical precision. Looking closer, you notice how the ruby stone metallic paint wraps around each curve with a liquid smoothness, evidence of meticulous hand polishing and multi-step curing performed at the Mercedes Specialty Coatings division. This is not merely paint, it is craftsmanship on a molecular level. Walking toward the rear, the vehicle maintains its imposing character. The cargo bed, constructed from lightweight armored aluminum alloy, is finished in a blend of matte black tactical textures and ruby stone metallic accents. LED perimeter lighting lines the bed rails, illuminating the area perfectly during nighttime expeditions. The rear bumper matches the front with its battle-ready steel architecture, and the taillights create a futuristic silhouette with their high-intensity triangular pattern. When glowing red, they complement the ruby stone metallic body as if they were carved from the same mineral crystal. Even the exhaust tip, angled, reinforced, high-mounted, is designed not just for performance but for survival in deep water and dusty environments. Its matte black ceramic coating resists corrosion and heat, allowing it to withstand the intense thermal cycles of heavy-duty off-road driving. Then, the real magic reveals itself the moment the door opens. The cabin interior immediately transforms your understanding of what an off-road machine can be. While the exterior is aggressive and unyielding, the interior is a sanctuary of Mercedes-Benz luxury. The seats are wrapped in ruby stone leather with contrasting obsidian black tactical stitching. The diamond quilting pattern mimics the geometric formations found in layered canyon rock, another artistic detail exclusive to the Redrock Edition. The driver's seat feels like a command throne. Thick side bolsters, multi-zone climate control, heated and ventilated cushions, and a pneumatic lumbar system all combine to create unmatched comfort. The leather itself has a matte finish with a soft touch texture, giving the interior a warm, inviting character that contrasts the vehicle's fierce exterior. The dashboard is a masterpiece of function meets design. The widescreen infotainment display floats elegantly across the upper panel, protected by an anti-glare shield. Its interface is customized for the Redrock Edition, featuring a mineral-inspired UI theme with deep red highlights and high-contrast terrain data graphics. The center console houses aircraft-style metal toggles, each with textured grips and amber backlight. These toggles control the locking differentials, ride height, traction modes, onboard air compressor, winch systems, and auxiliary lighting. The steering wheel is wrapped in ruby stone leather with perforated black grip zones. Embedded thumb controls allow the driver to adjust off-road parameters without taking hands off the wheel. Behind it, the digital instrument cluster displays pitch, roll, torque split visuals, wheel articulation diagrams, and live tire pressure information. Every detail is crisp, intuitive, and designed for real operations, not for show. The cabin lighting system is a marvel all on its own. Mercedes engineered a special Redrock ambient spectrum mode for this edition only. Soft deep red ambient lighting flows through the dashboard seams, door panels, footwells, and overhead console. The result is a warm, cave-like glow that feels both luxurious and expedition-ready. At night, the interior becomes a cocoon of glowing ruby ambiance, perfectly matching the exterior theme. Moving toward the rear cabin, you find a modular storage system designed for serious explorers. Reinforced anchor points hold gear cases, recovery straps, portable tools, small refrigerators, or emergency kits. LED utility lights in amber and white offer functional illumination for organizing equipment. The rear seats fold perfectly flat, forming a continuous loading space for long objects like tripods, gear rods, or camera equipment. The climate system uses dual-layer filtration capable of removing fine dust, sand, and allergens from desert environments. This is critical for long expeditions where the outside air may be hostile or contaminated with fine particulate matter. Even the floor mats are engineered for durability, made from rubberized composite materials with anti-slip channels shaped like rock formations. The doors close with a heavy, reassuring thud, sealing the cabin from outside noise. With triple weather sealing, thermal insulation, and acoustic dampening built into every panel, the Unimog interior remains quiet and stable even when traversing jagged terrain. Back outside, the ruby stone metallic paint glows beneath the showroom lighting. It glistens like molten red crystal, flowing across the rugged panels with elegance. The longer you look, the more details reveal themselves. The micro-texture of the metallic flake, the tonal gradients across curved surfaces, the interplay between ruby and deep maroon hues depending on the angle. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Unimog Redrock Edition is not a vehicle, it is a statement. A machine capable of crossing deserts, climbing mountains, fording rivers, crawling over boulders, and outlasting every challenge the world can offer. But it is also a piece of art. A creation that blends brutal mechanical excellence with the beauty of color, shape, and craftsmanship. The ruby stone metallic finish makes this Unimog feel alive, as though energy pulses beneath its surface. This is the summit of off-road engineering. This is the pinnacle of functional beauty. This is the Redrock Edition.